What's up with it, man? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Mike Long channel. I'm back in the building, you feel me? I ain't dropped in a couple days, but I'm back with a video. I got a surprise for y'all. I wasn't gonna show y'all, but I said I might as well do a video about this. As y'all probably seen by the thumbnail, man, your boy got a new whip, you feel me? Skirt, skirt. Yeah. Anyway, so should I show y'all this or not?
Look at surprise.
Surprise?
Show them the before, then show them the after.
I can't show them the before because I ain't getting no picture of the before. Boy got some doo-doo over here.
That ain't no problem.
I'll get back over here. But yeah. Go to whip right here. Big J-Vo. Ivy. The girl stepped right in the doo-doo. Get away from that, Ivy. She gonna get a whooping. Anyway. Everything cleaned up. 2000 Toyota Camry. New headlights. It's gonna be the little work car.
Daddy did it.
Gotta get a door knob right there, but it ain't there. Everything detailed today. Everything clean over there. Everything cleaned over 2000. It did not look like this when we first got it. I had to clean it up. It's been sitting up under the tree. Still got some more stuff to do to it. But it's just a little get around car, you feel me? Yeah, I gotta put the door panel over there is in the trunk. That speaker bus, I gotta replace that. We finna swap out this CD player right here, right now. But yeah, my boy Stanley got me right. Alright y'all, so it's the next day. I'm back. I got the let me turn it down. We got the radio in, so Pioneer what that is,
Paper.
no. It's a Pioneer multimedia receiver. You know, we got that in so today I'm really just gonna go ahead and redo the wires. I got let me see what I got. I'm just gonna go in the back of it and add these female and male ends to the wire, so it'll be easy to connect and disconnect. And then get your feet down, Ivy. Get your foot down. And then I'm gonna change the speaker out over here. Well, actually, yeah, both speakers in the front, I think, and then we're gonna come back and change the back ones later. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we back. It's the next day. Let's see.
I told him I ain't fucking with me. What she think? Hey, I'm going up. I got big old right here. Came with a switch. I'm serving cookies.
Alright. Turn this off for a second. Anyway, we got the CD player in here. The Bluetooth CD player. We got the speakers in the door right now. I didn't record that because, man, it was harder than what it looked like. Then trying to set up this camera, so I ain't recording none of that. But we got, let me see. I know this don't mean that, but we got the Pioneers in there. You know what I'm saying? The Pioneer 6.5. This all like a little budget system too. Like you can get this from Walmart. Little cheap set of speakers, a little cheap radio. We got this in today. We got the door handle, the outside door handle. It's gonna go over here on the passenger side, because when we got the car, they had the door knob off, so they had the door handle off. So I'm gonna put that right there. Bam. I ain't gonna show y'all how I get in there on that side. But, I actually kind of fixed the freaking door knob to go right there. I kind of fixed it. I had started putting it together today at work, but I'm just gonna wait on a new one to come. Put that in there. Let me see what else we done did. Of course, we backing out the inside. Like I said, it's just a little work car. It's really for my niece and nephew. Well, if they don't want it, I'm gonna drive them mother to work, cause they mother say gas. You feel me? $20, I'll be on half a tank, and that's without a tune up. Like, we didn't do nothing to it for real. Yeah, just a little basic little work car, man. I just wanted to show y'all that little surprise for y'all. Nothing but a little work car. But I do got more coming. Oh, and I appreciate the comments on the what that was, the power steering fluid on my Lincoln, cause I didn't know shit. You know, if y'all know something I don't know, get in them comments and tell me, cause I am not no mechanic. Like, I'm not no certified mechanic. You know what I'm saying? I work on tanks, so I have some knowledge on common sense stuff. But shoot, if I'm doing something wrong or y'all got any type of info, jump in the comments, let me know, cause I ain't no type of person to just, like, you know, I can't take criticism and stuff like that. Like, should I be wanting to know, like, other people's opinions and, you know, what they think and stuff. So, yo, y'all let me know, cause I got I might go get the right power steering right now and change it. I don't know. It might be in the next video. What else we got? Oh, my dad got another surprise vehicle. It's an old school. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna give y'all some footage of that too, maybe in the next video. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned with me, man. I'm trying to do a little something on the YouTubes, and that's it, man. Just like this video, subscribe. I'm talking about my hair, man. My wife in the braid it, twist it up something, because I can't take this. So yo, man, y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Peace out.